How to add a debit or credit card on Doordash app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open the Doordash app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this application. Once you have installed this app, log into your account, then tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on Payment Methods. From here, you can add and manage your payment methods. Here you have the option of Add Payment Method, and here is Credit/Debit Card option. Tap on that option. Then the first thing you have to do is add your card number. Then you will have to enter the expiration date of your card. After that, you want to enter your CVV number. Now tap on the Add Card option at the bottom of your screen, and this is how you can add a debit or credit card on Doordash app. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.